How to install X app on Android. Hello everyone, this is Hazel here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's get started. In order to download X application on your Android phone, what you have to do is go to the Play Store and there in the search bar search for the X app. So here you'll get the X Corp. Tap on it and then tap on install. So after the installation process get completed, the X application will be downloaded to your Android phone and it will be visible on your home screen as well. So just wait for some time to get your application download procedure complete. After it get completed, you'd be able to get it on your home page or home screen. After it get installed, it will be scanned by the app scanner and it will be completely downloaded to your Android phone and will be visible as the other apps on the home screen. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe and hit the bell for the updates. That's all for now and I'll catch you in the next one.